Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by warming the crude palm oil to 60-70 degrees C so impurities loosen. This low heat preserves oil quality while improving adsorption. Once warm, add 1-3% bleaching clay by weight and stir immediately to disperse it. The clay absorbs pigments and metals. Make sure to wear gloves and a mask to avoid inhaling dust. You'll keep agitation steady for 15-30 minutes. This time frame balances color removal without overheating or oxidizing the oil. You now focus on extraction. Maintain steady agitation at 60-70 degrees C for 15-30 minutes so the bleaching clay binds pigments and trace metals effectively. Too slow and adsorption is incomplete. Too hot and oxidation increases. Once done, stop stirring and let the clay flocculate and settle for 10-20 minutes to create a clear interface. Make sure to decant or filter through fine cloth or filter paper into the clean receiving pot. Repeated filtering improves clarity and removes residual clay particles. You complete the process by optionally polishing with activated carbon when a residual tint or off-note persists. This step targets stubborn colored molecules. Once filtered, cool the oil under minimal air exposure to prevent rancidity. You can deodorize using mild vacuum or short steam sparging if off odors remain. If you see haze or off taste, refilter and retest on a small batch. Make sure to adjust clay percentage or contact time next run. Troubleshooting tip: persistent haze often means insufficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.